Curaçao.
First from the Americas to step into the top 20 is Curaçao. How are you?
Very, very great, Steve. Thank you.
Hey, listen, both your mother and grandmother competed in pageants. Did they give you any inside tips to Miss Universe?
Well, Steve, my grandmother actually told me to eat as much as I could here in Thailand, and so I did. And my mother, as always, she told me that a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. That's why I never gave up on my dream. And I'm here at the Miss Universe stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Curaçao. Now lead us off.
Despite of society's ideology of beauty, the most important thing for me is to stay true to the woman I was created to be, making sure to express the highest and the truest expression of myself with love, respect, and a lot of confidence.
Costa Rica, stepping into the 6th spot is Curaçao.
I believe in the quote, each one teach one, and everything I learn I want to teach back to others. Say hi, I volunteer with kids with Down syndrome. I am here to be the voice for Down syndrome and any other kids and people with a disability. I am pursuing a bachelor's degree in English teaching, and I am about to become a school teacher. My ultimate goal in life is just to be Akisha, be myself in every single situation in life.
Curaçao. Curaçao.
Cura, wow. I mean, she is commanding the runway. Great smile. Just, again, really exuding that confidence, which is what this swimsuit competition is really all about.
Curaçao.
Incredible. What a dress, and it fits her to the T. I love the hair, the chignon, the earrings. Everything is perfect. She looks regal. She definitely looks like a standout.
Spent 24 hours, I need more.